Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fit with Shraddha. Today's topic is about the HbA1c blood test. If you have diabetes or you're concerned about your blood sugar levels, then your doctor will usually prescribe a test known as the HbA1c test. What is exactly HbA1c and why is it so important? So in today's video, we will understand what is HbA1c, what does it measure, the difference between HbA1c and a normal fasting blood sugar test, the importance, frequency of testing and its limitations. Please watch till the end. What is HbA1c? HbA1c is a blood test that measures your average blood sugar levels over the last 2-3 months. It is also known as the glycated hemoglobin test. This test is usually used to diagnose type 2 diabetes, to screen for pre-diabetes or to monitor your current blood sugar levels if you already have diabetes. Hemoglobin is a protein which is found in your red blood cells. Now this is responsible for transporting oxygen into your body. Now whenever glucose circulates in your blood, what happens is it attaches itself to this hemoglobin. This forms glycated hemoglobin or HbA1c. The more glucose you have in your blood, the more glycated hemoglobin you will have. Basically what HbA1c test does is it measures the percentage of glycated hemoglobin inside your blood. So if your HbA1c is 7%, this means 7% of your hemoglobin is glycated. That is 7% of your hemoglobin is coated with sugar. In other words, the HbA1c test measures the percentage of RBCs that have glucose coated hemoglobin. What is the difference between a normal fasting blood sugar test and a HbA1c test? Fasting blood sugar test is like a snapshot. It measures your blood sugar levels at a specific moment in time, whereas HbA1c measures your average blood sugar levels for the past 2-3 months. Fasting blood sugar test, you have to fast for 8 hours. HbA1c does not require any fasting nor any special preparation. Now between these two tests, it is HbA1c which is more reliable and accurate. Your sugar levels fluctuate throughout the day. So it also depends now what you eat, how much activity you have done. Your results in a fasting blood sugar test also depend on what you have eaten the previous day, what were your activity levels, etc. On the other hand, HbA1c gives you a more better picture. This is because it tells you about the average blood sugar levels over the past 2-3 months. As I already told you earlier, your glucose which is circulating inside the body sticks to the hemoglobin. And the lifespan of RBCs or our red blood cells is 3 months. HbA1c gives you a more better idea of your average blood sugar levels. So for people with diabetes, an HbA1c test is usually recommended every 3 to 6 months. So regular monitoring of diabetes with HbA1c test helps both the patients as well as the doctors to track your progress as well as to make any adjustments in the medication if necessary. Although HbA1c is a very reliable and a powerful tool to measure your blood sugar levels, it also has some limitations. For example, if you have anemia, then this can interfere with the accuracy of the test. Also, if you have any specific medical conditions, then you may need to do some more additional tests to check the accuracy of your sugar levels. Overall, HbA1c is a very good test to manage and monitor your blood sugar levels. By maintaining healthy HbA1c levels through diet, exercise, medication, you can reduce the risk of diabetes related complications and live a healthier life. I hope today's video was useful and you have now understood what is HbA1c. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, take care and bye-bye.